Good morning children, welcome back to our new session. Let's start our English class. Today we are going to write the beginning sound of each picture. आपको pictures दिया है, you have to write the beginning sound. और pictures की beginning sound in uppercase and lowercase letters. Uppercase means capital letter and lowercase means small letter. Beta, before going to this chapter, I am just explaining the sounds of each letters. टीचर सारे letters के sounds एक बार explain कर रही हूँ. तो if you learn the sounds, you can easily able to write the beginning sounds of any picture given any picture. आपको कोई भी picture हो उसकी beginning sound or ending sound easily you can write, and also you can easily able to write a word also in English. Okay, so let's start the sound. In English, each letter has different sounds. So you just listen. See, A. Which letter is this? A. A for apple. A for ant. A. So letter A makes a sound A. A for apple. A for ant. A. So A makes a sound A. B. B for bird. B. B for ball. B for bat. B. B makes a sound B. C. C for cat. C for car. C for cat. C for car. K. 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 C makes a sound K. D. D for donkey. D for dog. D for doll. D. D. Sorry. D makes a sound D. D makes a sound D. E. E for egg. E for elephant. E makes a sound E. F. F for fish. F for frog. F makes a sound. Then G. G for goat. G for grapes. G. 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 G makes a sound G. G makes a sound G. H. H for house. H for hat. H makes a sound hat. I for insect. I for igloo. So I makes a sound E. E. I makes a sound E. J. J for joker. Joker. Juice. J. J makes a sound J. J. K. K makes a sound K. K for king. K for kite. K. K makes a sound K. K. L. L for lion. Lion. Lamb. L. L makes a sound L. M. M for monkey. Man. M. 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 M makes a sound M. N for nest. Nose. N. N. N makes a sound N. Nose. N. O. O for owl. O for ox. O for octopus. O. O makes a sound O. P. P. Peacock. Pen. Pig. P. P makes a sound P. Q. Queen. Quit. Quit. Q. R. R for rabbit. Rose. So R makes a sound R. Rose. Rabbit. R. S. S for sun. S for star. S makes a sound T. Tiger. Temple. Tortoise. Turtle. So T makes a sound T. 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 U. Up. Umbrella. U makes a sound U makes a sound U कौन से sound में? U makes a sound up. Umbrella. No, don't say U. U makes a sound up. Umbrella. Umpire. Uncle. Then V. V. V for violin. Bass. So V makes a sound V. V makes a sound V. W. W for well, water, window, V. W makes a sound V. X. X for X-ray, fox, box. X makes a sound S. Y. Y for yak, yo-yo, ya, ya. Y makes a sound ya. Z. Z for zebra, zoo, zero, z. So once again I am just explaining sounds only, letter and sound only. Just to listen बेटा. A and आप टीचर के साथ बोलना, ठीक है? A makes a sound A. B B. C K. D D. E N. F G G. H I E. J J. K K. L L. M N N. O O. P P. Q Q. R S T T. U V V. W V. X Y या and Z. Okay, are you clear? अभी आपको a beginning sound एकदम easily you can write. Okay. Yes, better. Now all take your English book, English reading book, English reader. Yes, open page number 7. Page number 7. Today's date. First you put today's date 17th July 2020, and this is your classwork. Put CW also, and this is your classwork. Put CW also. Don't forget. In this page we are going to write the beginning sound in upper and lower case letters, okay, of each picture. Teacher ने बोला upper case means capital letter and lower case means small letter. You already know to write all the letters in capital and small. See, first one I had given here. Which picture is this? Nest. N. Nest. N. So N in capital and N in small. But we are going to write these letters in cursive. Okay, cursive. We are going to write in cursive. See, this is sun. So say sun. Which sound? Sun. So beginning sound is, beginning means starting sound better. Starting sound. Okay. तो sun के starting में क्या आ रहा है? Sun. So write S. Capital S. And here small s. Small s. Okay. Sun. Are you clear? Then this one S. Also this one kite. Kite. So which sound? Which is the beginning sound of this picture? S. K. Which letter will come here? K. K for kite. K for kite. Capital K and small k. Small k. Upper case and lower case. And this is K. Capital K and small k. Then rainbow. Rainbow. What is this? Rainbow. So rainbow R. Rainbow R. Capital R. And here small r. Small r. Next. This one peacock. Peacock. P. So which letter will come here? P. P. P for peacock. P. Capital P, uppercase, and in lowercase small p, like this. P. Next. Who is this? एक कौन है? Monkey. M. So which letter will come here? कौन सी letter आएगी इधर? Monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. M capital M and small m. Okay. Next. Goat. G sound. which letter will come here? G. G for goat. G for goat. Capital G here and here small g. Small g. Okay. Then dog. 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 D. D. So which letter will come here? D. D for dog. D for dog. D for dog. Capital D and small d. Okay. Next. Hen. Hen. So which letter will come here? H. He. Hen. H. H. H for hen. H for hen. H for hen. Capital H and small h. Small h. Okay. Are you clear, children? So today this page we are doing classwork, and next page, page number 8. See, page number 8. Here you put today's date 17/7/2020 and this is your homework. HW. आपको एक homework दे रही टीचर. You have to do this one. Okay. Tomorrow I will show the answers, but today आपके पेरेंट्स की हेल्प नहीं लेना बेटा, सिर्फ आपको ही करना. ये आपके लिए टीचर ने दिया है. You find out the sound of each picture and write the letter in each box. Okay. I am just telling the picture names. So this is cow, this is horse, yak, kangaroo, X, violin, tortoise, yes, watermelon, rabbit, frog, swan. बस एक बार टीचर ने बोल दिया. Now you have to write the beginning sound of each picture. Okay, अपर केस में भी लिखना है और लोअर केस में भी लिखना है. Okay.